Hi guys, welcome back to another quick video. Again, I'm still working on this small account. It's not to brag or anything like that. I'm not meaning to brag or anything like that. Today is the 22nd of May. So this is just to convince somebody that you don't really need to start with a huge amount of capital in order to start trading. So you can see here I've got about 150 US dollars profit, and my previous balance was actually $69. So equity is currently around $200 or something like that. You can watch the previous videos where actually I think I started recording this account when it was around $30 or $40 or something like that. Again, the whole point of this video is to convince you that you don't need to start with a huge amount of capital. I've seen many people commenting in my videos saying, hey, I've got a good strategy, but I can't trade because I don't have money, and things like that. Guys, the broker that I use, the link will be in the description box below. If you need a good broker, reliable broker, I've been trading with them for more than 5 years now, and the good thing about them is you don't need to deposit a huge amount of cash in order to start trading. You can even start with $5, $10. Then you can test and refine your strategies. At least if you lose the $5, the $10, you are not losing $100, $500, $1,000. You are not losing the house, if I must say so. Look, it's almost getting to $200 now, and my equity is rising. Where do you see this? From $70 to around $260, just like that, So I'm actually in gold trades and AUD USD trades, and I'm not hiding anything. You can see the lot sizes that I've actually been using: 0.01, the bare minimum lot sizes. But look, it's a slow process. But you get the job done. I know many people want the quick wins. They want to wake up a millionaire tomorrow. So for them, they can't bear to stand and watch like their account making $16, $20, and stuff like that. They want to be making the thousands because they've been watching YouTube videos about people making millions overnight, or they got sold on this idea that you just go into forex and you make quick money. That's a false idea, actually. So start where you are. That's the point that I'm trying to make here. If you've got $100, you can quickly flip that $100 into something meaningful. You don't need to wait until you have raised $10,000. Let me just close some of this. This I'm doing so that I can continue pushing my account upwards, and tomorrow I'll come back and do the same thing and push the account upwards. The goal is to make quick wins, and from those quick wins, you actually end up flipping the account. Now look where the account is now. So let's see what happens. And if you've watched my previous videos, I have this thing about opening a number of trades where I feel like I need to make the number of trades. Then afterwards, after moving a certain distance, I'll close some of those trades just to boost my equity. Then I will leave one or two trades just to play around with. So this is the trade on AUD USD that I'm just leaving to see what's going to happen. But otherwise, whatever happens after this, I've taken money off the market. I'll just go to gold. Just fortunate that gold has been pushing in my direction lately, because my strategy is very simple. I trade only dollar pairs. only dollar pairs. Life is simple. I first see what the dollar index is doing. That's why I have USDX there. For some brokers it's called USDXY. For some brokers it's dollar index, but it's one and the same thing. So the first thing that I try to get an idea of is what the dollar index doing. So you can see it has been pushing up. That's why what I've been taking sales on gold, sales on AUD USD, Euro USD. I missed my entry, so I didn't take Euro USD. When I took those AUD USD trades, Euro USD was around here, so I didn't take those trades. You need to know when to get in and when not to get in. So yeah, guys, don't feel you need to start with a $10,000 account in order to trade. You can start where you are, and trust me, the small accounts, they teach you a lot of things about discipline, discipline, patience, choosing the trades. You, because you're playing with a little amount of money, you cannot afford to just bam 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 just take random trades. They teach you to be patient, to take only the good trades. That's why I'm an advocate for what? For these small accounts. When I get maybe we'll see if we can get it to 500. But usually what I do is, when I'm in the good mood, like I'm in, is to take these $10 accounts to around $200. I withdraw. Take another $10 to around $200. I withdraw. Sometimes $500. It just depends on the kind of mood that I am in. So yeah, I hope this is just some motivation to somebody who is out there, who is thinking, hey, I don't have money. I want to trade. I'm a good trader, but I don't have money. Where do I what do I do? Start where you are. My broker, the link is in the description box below. You just need $5, $5 or $10, and you start trading. If you lose that $10, well, you hopefully you have learned something that you are not supposed to do in the future. And if you come back again with another $5, another $10, you are growing. Now, even if you end up finding somebody to lend you $100, at least now you know the things to do. Why don't I trade demo? Why don't I trade demo? I've said in my previous videos, demo does not teach you how to react in the market, because many people, they just know if it's demo, they can always go back and refresh the balance, they can always go and flip the balance. But if you have some skin in the game, even $5, even $10, you start thinking hard before you take the trades. You put some skin in the game. And real markets, they teach you some things that demo accounts don't teach you. For example, how to react when you are winning, how to react when you are losing. You don't get that feeling when you are trading a demo account, because you already know that this is fake money. That's why I'm an advocate for these small accounts. That's why I'm an advocate for people testing their strategies and practicing with these small accounts. Again, if you're looking for a broker that accepts $5 deposit, $10 deposit, the link is in the description box below. You can open an account and start testing your strategies, refine your strategies, and you can start growing those small trading accounts. Hopefully you make some money in the future. Guys, I will see you in the next one.